welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to make homemade cookies. So we say why we're not making one of our usual videos because it's raining outside and all wet, so we can't. So we're going to make one of our videos, like it's homemade video. Let's go. The butter's been weighed, so now we have to cut it up. We have mixed the butter and sugar. It's time to add the vanilla and egg and mix some more. There we go. Now it's time to add the flour and baking powder. Mix this bit by hand. Just doing it now. Right, now it's time to snap the buns in half. Now we've broken all the buttons up, it's now time to add it to the mixture. So now we're going to put dollops on the tray. So we take the spoon, then we go like that. Just finished doing that, guys. Now I'm just washing my hands. Now we don't spread any germs. So these are what we made. Now we're just going to put them in the oven. Let's go. Just checking how they're doing and just checking how they're getting on. So they're not doing too bad at the moment. They might be done in a little while. But now the oven, now all we have to do now is let them cool. Look how delicious they look. We have to let them cool down before we can try them though, or it might burn our mouths. Now it's cooled off, now it's time for the taste test. Let's go. Out of 10. I hope you enjoyed making your homemade cookies and I hope you followed along too. Anyway, soon I think I'm going to go sleep after this from all that cooking. Anyway, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.